guys, my name is Kate. Let's practice basketball today. One is stretching. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Who is tribal?
1, 2. Look at me. Look at me. Dito ka lang. Go. Tingin dito.
One is running dribble.
Okay.
One is country ball.
Start. Right muna, right.
Shooting.
Okay, you shoot the ball. Okay, it's very good. One more. You can do it. One more.
So close.
So close, so close. One more. One more.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, last shoot, anak.
Okay, okay.
Yes!
First try! First try! First try! First try!
Very
First try
good.
of video!